What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. It's Nico Moreno here, and we're just gonna hop right into the video. So go ahead, give me a love, give me a like, give me a care, give me any smiley face, any emoji that you want. Appreciate it. All right, let's dive into the video, shall we? So this video is called How to Get More Calls, 3 ways to get more calls for your coaching, consulting, or services business. All right, let's just dive into it. So this is actually a very timely video that I'm sharing this with you guys because one of my new clients who just signed up 2 weeks ago has brought in $20,000, actually more than $20,000 in revenue using these 3 strategies. So don't take this lightly, even though this is a free live stream. Be grateful and enjoy it and utilize the strategies that I'm teaching you here because yeah, you can just repeat this for yourself and you can get incredible results. You can also join my coaching, my VIP Inner Circle Mastermind. If you're interested in that, comment me down below and we'll reach out with more info on that if you want like my personal guidance and help. However, you don't even have to have that. You can just use these 3 strategies and you can get a ton more calls. All right, so first strategy is what you need to do is you need to actually, so I'm gonna break this into 3 parts and it's gonna be like before the call, during the call, or like right when they're about to book the call and then after the call. So let's get into it. First step is, number 1, you want everything that happens before they actually like create their phone call or they book a phone call, right? So what does this mean? Well, you wanna actually pre-qualify people, right? Pre-qualify people in Messenger and in the DMs. I've sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of coaching, services, courses, different things over the past several years just through Messenger DMs. So if you're here watching this on Facebook, and you are, don't underestimate the power of Messenger. Like it's the most powerful, incredible, and simple tool for you to get more leads, more calls, and more people into your business, all right? So qualify them in the chat, right? Have a real conversation. Don't use these like canned messages that everybody send out. We all know those, right? We all know when we get a DM from someone who's just like, they clearly have not even looked at our Facebook profile. They clearly like do not give a you know what about anything that we're doing. They just want to send out a spam canned message, right? Let me know if you've gotten one of those before because I still get those all the time. And you can instantly tell and I just delete them, right? I don't even check. So send personal messages and pre-qualify people to see if they're actually a good fit in the DMs, right? You don't want to be working with everyone and not everyone is right to work with you. So have a genuine conversation. We have a DM script that we actually give all our clients and that really helps them just pre-qualify people, filter out the bad ones and get the good ones on a call. Right, so that's phase number 1. Phase number 2 or step number 2 is the actual application questions on your calendar page. They really do matter, guys. They really matter. They make a huge difference. All right, so who out there uses like Calendly? So if you use Calendly or Schedule Once or anything like that, you know that you have the ability to create custom questions when people are booking a phone call to speak with you about your coaching or your consulting or your services or something like that, right? You can customize the questions, right? So use that to your advantage. What you want to do is you want to ask very specific pre-qualifying questions before they even book the call, right? So this is part of their call like application. Some things that you want to do are, if you're in the money niche, you want to ask people like, well, what are your business goals, right? Like what actual revenue numbers do you want to hit, right? If you're in the fitness niche, one of my new clients is in the fitness niche. It's like, you just want to ask like, well, what are your fitness and health goals? Like actually ask, right? Because you don't want to be working with people who aren't motivated. If they're not motivated to reach their goals, they're not going to be motivated to spend money with you, right? So just build commitment on the application before they even get on the call with you, right? Build that commitment. And then the last couple questions that I always ask are things like, I ask them more than one time on the same application to really drive this point home. I say, are you willing and able to invest into your business to hit your goals? Yes or no? And if it's no, then they're not going to buy on the call, so we just cancel the call. And then I ask another question, like what's your investment budget to invest in yourself to grow your business? And if it's like less than $1,000, then I cancel it because, well, I can't help you for less than $1,000. Sorry, bro. So then the third question, like if Nico instructed you, this is on my application, you can change this for your own offer. If Nico instructed you to invest $500 into paid ads for your business, would you do it? Yes or no? If they say no, like, why would I ever coach them? Because I'm literally gonna tell them to do that. And if they're not gonna, if they're not gonna invest that into their ads, they're gonna be a horrible coaching client. Like, because they're just not gonna get any results, right? So you need to actually like really hammer them home, hit them over the head like a bunch of times with the same exact thing to really pre-qualify them on the application for your phone call, right? This is before they even hit the confirm button, before they have even booked their call. You're pre-qualifying them really, really hard and making sure that they're sort of in a buying mindset and they understand, well, hey, yeah, I'm not gonna like shove this product down your throat if it's not a good fit, but if this is a good fit, like you need to know that this is an actual, like, there's gonna be an investment involved to work with me, right? So if you're a coach, consultant, or service provider, definitely use that to your advantage. Like you need that. Right? You don't want to be wasting your time. Your time is valuable. You don't want to be wasting your time with tire kickers, people who are expecting something for nothing. No, this is how you get rid of them. Then third step, this is the final step, you guys. Third step is what you need to do. You need to hit them over the head again on the confirmation page of their phone call. So many people don't do this. They don't even have a confirmation page for their phone call application, right? It's just the Calendly, like the simple Calendly, like, thank you, your call has been booked. No, do not do that. This is hurting your conversions and it's hurting your sales and you're losing so much money by not utilizing the thank you page. You can just set a redirect URL in Calendly or Schedule Once or whatever. Just set that to a thank you page with what I do is I just waterfalls of testimonials, tons of testimonials. Just hit them over the head with your testimonials so that when people have just booked a call with you, they're like, oh shit, like this guy's actually good and he gets results. And now I actually want to show up for the call that I just booked instead of like ghosting and disappearing and having a no-show, right? Do you guys get no-shows? They suck, right? They really suck. So you don't want to have no-shows. You want to have people be excited to show up for the call, right? So what I do is on the thank you page, which by the way, have a thank you page, have a confirmation page. Most people just don't even do that. Have one with a ton of results, like all your best testimonials, just put them there so that people can watch all the testimonials before they get on the call with you and they already are pre-framed to say, wow, this guy like delivers great results and can really help me, you know? And then second thing that I do on that page is I have about 6 videos that go over mindset and go over, essentially I address all their potential objections for like investing in themselves or all their money objections. I literally have a video on each potential money objection and it just obliterates it. So have those, I get a ton of compliments and someone who just signed up to work with me they were like, wow, I've never seen that. And those videos actually like shifted my mindset before getting on the call with you. And I was like, yes, beautiful. That's exactly what they're supposed to do. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Eric, what's going on, man? So good to see you here. Eric, you actually commented on this too. So thank you so much for that. But yeah, definitely use all 3 of these strategies. If you're anyone selling a phone call, or just any offer that requires a phone call, use all 3 of these strategies. It's gonna make a huge difference to your sales, like for your conversions, and for the amount of money that you bring home, right? All right, let me know, you guys, what's going on, Eric. Eric says, what's up? Yeah, so this has been the live. Definitely tag a friend if you know someone who sells their product using phone calls. Like, it doesn't matter what the product is. If they're a coach, consultant, service provider, network marketer, anyone who uses a phone call process for their offer, share this video with them. This is gonna help them, okay? Share this video with them. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Let me know if you have questions. And again, if you would like to potentially work with me one-on-one to help get this going for your business, grow your coaching business, consulting business, services business. Again, one of my clients has done $22,000 in revenue in like 10 days. So this shit's real, is all I'm gonna say. All right, Nico Moreno signing off. Happy Friday, love all you guys, thanks so much, and talk to you next time.